Governor of Uasin Gishu County, Governor Jonathan B, to make his welcoming remarks. Tumkaribishe kwa makofi, Honorable His Excellency Jonathan B. Karibu.
Your Excellency, the President of the Republic of Kenya, Dr. William Samoei Ruto, Your Excellency, Speaker of Senate, Amason Kingi, Honorable Dr. Moses Wetangula, Speaker of the National Assembly, Excellency Governors, Prime Cabinet Secretary, Musalia Mudavadi, Honorable members of Senate and National Assembly, representatives of the Constitutional Commission and independent officers, leaders of Uasin Gishu County and the Greater Region, ambassadors and high commissioners, principal secretaries, members of the County Assembly, all national government and county government representatives, private sector and civil society representatives and development partners, international delegates, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. I wish to extend a warm welcome to Uasin Gishu County, affectionately known as the Champions, where the spirit of devolution pulsates with unmatched vigor. Our county, renowned as an agricultural hub, has always been and continues to stand as a home of prominent farmers, world record-breaking athletes, business, and welcoming people. It is a pleasure to have you all here. Karibuni sana. Today marks a significant milestone as we gather under the banner of progress, collaboration, and a shared vision at the first biannual Devolution Conference. This event is particularly meaningful as it returns to our county after impressive years of 94. 94 years we will have this kind of conference again to come to Uasin Gishu. I am honored to stand before this as esteemed assembly, hosting the banner of unity and progress that resonates with all of us. Let us make a moment to acknowledge transformative power of devolution and extend my appreciation to His Excellency President Dr. William Samoei Ruto for his unwavering dedication to this cause. Devolution is more than a mere political or administrative concept. It embodies the very spirit of our nation. It encapsulates the principles of democracy, inclusivity, and grassroots governance that form the bedrock of our national growth and development. This conference stands as a testament to the strides we have made in nurturing the principles and our collective commitment to steer Kenya towards greater prosperity through the devolution of power and resources. Ladies and gentlemen, education, infrastructure, health, and agriculture are the cornerstones on which our nation's future. In Uasin Gishu County, we have witnessed these sectors flourish under the nurturing embrace of devolution. A prime example is the school feeding program for early childhood education development, ECDs, locally known as Maziwa ya Koti Moja, which has led to remarkable increase in pupil enrollment and exemplified by 40% growth in our schools within Kapseret sub-county. Our commitment to education has yielded empowered minds and skilled workforce. We have recently confirmed our ECD teachers on permanent and pensionable terms, which has boosted their morale. Ladies and gentlemen, our ambition extends further under the visionary guidance of His Excellency the President. The establishment of county aggregation industrial parks and export processing zones holds the promise of transforming employment and opportunities for our youth and attracting vital investments. Substantial progress has made with 135-acre piece of land earmarked for development. As we engage with prospective investors, we eagerly anticipate the manifold benefits these endeavors will bring to our county. Our infrastructure projects have redefined connectivity and accessibility. Well-maintained roads and modern transportation networks have turned Uasin Gishu County into an economic hub within the wider North Rift region. Through these investments in connectivity, we are fostering regional integration, economic growth, and efficient movement of people, goods, services, and ideas. Ladies and gentlemen, medical tourism has been a cornerstone of our county. We take pride not only in having top-notch hospitals, but also in innovative technology-backed healthcare systems, enhancing maternal and child health services, and improving disease prevention and treatment remain vital pillars in our Nguzo Kumi manifesto, which is now implemented as a third county integration development plan. Our county's fertile lands have consistently yielded abundant harvests, solidifying Uasin Gishu County as the nation's breadbasket. Timely provision of essential farm inputs has ignited optimism among our farmers. This year, our fields are abundant with maize harvest and the sight of farmers proudly displaying their produce in Kenya Kwanza administration. In the midst of our devolution accomplishments, I urge all of us to center our discourse on fundamental matter, bolstering service delivery through performance management. Devolution empowers our people, ensures equitable resource distribution, and improves lives. To uphold this noble cause, we must not merely inspire for service excellence, but it is the guiding principle of our governance architecture. Transformative service delivery, as before the entities, requires proactive performance management underpinned by transparency, which propels us towards effective governance. Ladies and gentlemen, our achievements span beyond sectors. Uasin Gishu County has flourished as an ideal place to work, live, invest, and explore. A secure environment, conducive business climate, and rich cultural tapestry converge to create an ecosystem that becomes as constructing infrastructure resource distribution and of life, but the various opportunities in our county. And as we gather for this conference, let us remember that the spirit of devolution burns within each of us, seeing our forefathers' dreams and securing a brighter future for generations to come. Stoppable. Thank you, and may this conference resonate as a resounding success. Thank you, asanteni sana. Na niseme karibuni tena Uasin Gishu. This is a place that we prepared for you as our guest. As you move around and see the beauty of this county, you can also see the potential that you can of investment that we have in our region. We pride ourselves for our key athletes who have given us a good name. Our brand is the County of Champions. And I want to say karibuni sana to the County of Champions. Asanteni na Mungu awabariki. Before I forget, we also have some nightlife here. We have more nightlife than day life. So I want to say when you move around, just feel good, you are secure. Asanteni na Mungu awabariki.
Thank you very much, Your Excellency Jonathan B.